Okay, this is my wife's 2019 Honda CR-V that we bought for her. I'm driving the old 2008, but we took it in for maintenance. I'm sure they did a rotate and balance and check the tire pressure and everything. And now the tire pressure light is on. I've checked the tire pressure on the tires. They're all good. So basically what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to come over to the settings on the vehicle. We're going to have to hit the home button and then the settings menu, and I think vehicle. There we go. We got the TPMS calibration there. Hit that, then hit calibrate. And now that we've done the calibration, I checked the tire pressures. The tire pressures were good, so it's cleared the TPMS warning light. But that's all you have to do. You can say okay and go back to home. All done.